stop being an affiliate marketer? Watch this video before you continue.
Okay, so right now I am in my own TikTok shop for creator. So to illustrate the point about just making commission and having no information of the customer database, so through this part of the video, I'm going to demonstrate that to you, okay? Which is something for you to consider as an affiliate marketer. So here we go. Let's go select the earnings so that we can display the information about the commission being made, right? Then next, select the affiliate orders, and there you are. Here's a whole lot of summary, right? During this period of the commissions that I've actually made. Okay, let's take a closer look at the information that was given. Then you can see for the first product here, well, we can see that the cost of this product actually is $26.40, and the commission that I'm actually making is at $6.60. And there is also details about when was this being transacted, which is 24th of July and at 10:51 a.m. in the morning, right? We also have the order ID, and let's take a look at the view more, right? And view more is just some simple, details of when was it ordered and when was it delivered, and that's all. Notice something missing here, which is very important to run a business, which will be the actual information of the customers that actually buy from us, right? So what's wrong here? That means we don't have any access to the customer database, right? So the platform has it, which means TikTok has it, right? And also the product owner, the brand, actually also has it. But why not us as the affiliate marketer? So this is just one very classic example that many people that started their affiliate marketing business journey do not have, and is totally clueless about this risk because they don't have any access of a customer database. And what's wrong here? Why is there a risk? So now, to have an idea about the risk of not having the real customer database, right? So let me show you another example whereby I am also, right, an affiliate marketer with this digital product, this digital platform that I use, right, whereby I build website on it for my clients or for my own network marketing business, which is called the system.io, whereby you're going to see shortly when I flip the camera over to show you that as an affiliate of marketing, these digital tools, right? And I'm also a user, and because I have actually good experience with it, so I decided to promote it well to my audience, right? So, however, when I promote such kind of platform, which is the digital products, right? The difference between the example before this one is the earlier example with TikTok, right? Selling physical products, there is no information of the customer database being given to me, right? When the customer was created. However, on the other hand, when I promote system.io, right? Okay, which is actually a website builder and many other stuff, right, to run an online business. The thing is that when somebody actually decided to register using my unique affiliated link, I actually have the customer information. So let me flip the camera over to you right now to show you on my laptop. What do I mean by that? Okay, there you have it. Right now, I'm actually at my affiliate dashboard, right? So this is the summary here. And let's scroll down to show you what do I mean by having their customer information, right? As you can see, right, these are the two customer information that was collected using my affiliated link. Can you see that? So what does it mean? The benefit of having, the customer information, that means I have a chance to follow them up, to build deeper relationship with them, right? So for this instance, this example on this digital product called system.io, a website builder, right? So that means I can, through the email contact they have given me, I can continuously follow up with these customers, these subscribers. And at the same time, that means, right, I have control over this relationship building with these customers, isn't it? And at the same time, I can continuously, right, to interact with them, to build deeper relationship with them, or even show them my other promotional items, isn't it? However, on the other hand, with the TikTok for creator example, my TikTok shop, in other words, I have no information of the buying customers. That means I cannot follow up with these buying customers in the future. And with that, that means I cannot build deeper relationships with the already buying customers. And that means I cannot ensure or guarantee any repeat buying from these customers, isn't it? Right? So this is why I keep emphasizing in many occasions, especially during my TikTok live streaming, whereby I teach about the long-term strategy as an affiliate marketer, right? That we must be sensitive about right from day one as an affiliate marketer, have some sort of a mechanism within our business process to be able to collect, accumulate, grow our customer database as we go on to promote someone else's product. So I have mentioned in many of these occasions that it is a big risk to us as an affiliate marketer when we do not have the control over the follow-up process to build deeper relationship with our customers so that we can kind of encourage repeat buying from us, isn't it? And at the same time, because we don't have any control over this customer database, in the example as a TikTok affiliate marketer, right? So what happened if our account was blocked or banned or hacked? We can no longer log in and conduct business as usual, isn't it? So overnight, we lost our income because we don't know how to follow up from then on, isn't it? And we have to start from zero. Or on the other hand, perhaps the the brand owner, the merchant, right, decided to stop paying us or stop giving us the privilege to promote for them, right? So, but we are actually the one putting in effort to help to create the customers for them, isn't it? But yet we don't have this critical information for the long term, right? So if this resonates with you, right, I have actually a playbook to help you out here, whereby through my years since 2020 as a digital marketer, right, whereby we learned right from day one the importance of actually growing our customer database, which is also known to us as calling it as an email list. Okay, so right from day one, we are being trained by our coaches, by our trainers, by our instructors to build our customer database. So if this makes sense to you and you want something to reference to how to go and set up your database, your customer database accumulation mechanism within your affiliate marketing business process, right? I have actually this playbook, which is 13 chapters and 57 pages of strategies and tactics plus actionable steps in each chapter for you to set up in different format of a customer database collection mechanism, right? So if you want that, right, comment below this video playbook, okay, and it's going at a very low price right now, okay, which is only $7 plus I'm going to give you 5 bonuses to help you kickstart, right, your business building as an affiliate. In any forms of affiliate, it is also applicable, whether you are just an affiliate marketer, you are a network marketer, or you are a direct seller. So long as you are going to sell someone else's product, these strategies and the actionable steps will be applicable to you too, right? So comment below this video if you want that playbook at $7 now, okay? And I will see you in my next video update.